Hi guys, Just Vlog 1 here. I'm at Calaborn Lodge, the museum in High Park. So I just want to get you down here and show you what's in here in this park. Hey guys, you're watching on my channel Just Vlog 1. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button for more updates. Stay safe and enjoy watching. And so guys, niya napunta din sa Calaborn Lodge, the museum in High Park. This is a trail park na pwede ka makahimog hiking, biking, and especially picnic. The story of Calaborn Lodge. See, I just wanna read you this thing here. So makabasa mo, taas kayo. So ako na lang basahon para ninyo. So Calaborn Lodge 1836, built by John Howard. So panahon ni Dr. Jose Rizal sa atua. It was named after St. John Calaborn, Lieutenant Governor of Upper Canada. So architect siya, engineering, and immigrate din gikan siya sa England 1832. So siya ang first surveyor and city engineer, and he was a collector of painted. So talented po siya guys, artistic siya, so devoted siya sa iyang kaugalingon to improve this state here in Upper Canada to make look good the city. So he offered his property for a public park but retained position in the lodge and 45 hectares until his death. So kini nga lugaron mo ni siyang gitawag og High Park, which forms from the part of present day a High Park. Okay, so kining High Park guys, mao ni siyang every May nga spring makita nimong a Japanese flower which is very known, and yeah, cherry blossom guys. So mao ni siya daghan ni cherry blossom nga to sa taas. So pila ni siya katuig nga balay guys. So kini siya nga building. So ilang gi-preserve, very kuan guys sila. Typical kay silang mga balay dili nila gupunog sa din sa nakakaraan, just in case for sightseeing sa mga visitors. So you can see here guys, unsa ni siya, basuka or canyon? It looks like sa akong interpretation, hideout or lookout ni nila during time sa war around 18th century to 19th century. So this is an elevated place here. So makita nila siguro dito mga enemy going down to Toronto nga mo padung diri. So mo nila pabuton ni nila para itira nila silahang kontra. See, who knows, right? Because elevated man siyang lugar diri, medyo may pagka-hill man siya. So they make as their hideout or someone to look out the enemy. So you just have a type of a person nga wants physical activity. This is good for you here. So dako kini siya, it's a 45 hectares. So I'm gonna bring you up there. Okay guys, here they are, my buddies na mahuway sila, nagsulti-sulti. So hey, say hi guys.
Hi.
So you're watching Just Vlog 1. And so this is, I think, one of the oldest tree here guys. So ang iyang pangalan scientifically is di man ko biologist, pero akong itry nga mabasa nako, Fagus Selvateca coprea. So in English is a copper beech, distance of 100 years. I don't know, whatever. My buddy Jessica, say hi.
Hi guys. My new friend. I have two of these. One of them is red.
So sa'yo mo sulti nila. Oh, alright. So mo sila ipakita si Musayaw. So say hi. Say hi to our channel.
Hi. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and don't forget to comment because why not?
Kay daghang tao diri karon kay tungod sa COVID og normal pa ang sitwasyon, gidugok na ni siya diri guys, just like last year. Pagtindaghan ng tao diri, especially karon Our weather temperature for today is 31 degrees Celsius. So nice. I hope na this would not be the last hot for this summer. See guys, some people they do picnics. Alright guys, High Park Children's Garden and Teaching Kitchen. So you can jog, you can walk. Any physical activities, this place is good for you if you are an energetic person. You're living in Canada, so you have to enjoy the summer guys. So don't mind the sweat, tired, hungry, thirsty. Dun sa panang uban diha. This park is situated in the city of Toronto. Look at the shitty place guys. So you want to go down here? Alright. Diba last couple of years like diri man ta katong nag cherry blossom mao man siguro ni dapita katong nakita nato nga lake
Dito sa Pika siguro.
kinumdum mo ato.
Yeah, I saw the lake.
Okay. Dadon ta mo nga tour guys atong tan-awon dito. Gawa sa itong mga cherry blossom nga one eye mga buwak. Dinhi mi dapita last couple of years, so time tong spring kita nimo sa kanindot ang cherry blossom. So karon time nga green leaves nimo makita. So see guys, squirrel. Kita niyo yung squirrel? Up, yeah. It's nice kayo dito guys. Kung reading books, if that is one of your hobby. Picture taking, photography. I think this is the best place to go. Ano man, may mga insects, flowers, like squirrels, a rotten trees, a rotten wood. If you like to take a close photography for that, that's a nice one. See? Wow, see the landscape, so cool. Eh? So galihan nila kay naputol niyang kahoy. Siguro katong kusog ka yung hangin. Kasi gatuo ka nga amo ng balay guys ha. Dili guys. Dili ni backyard na mo guys ha. Para siya backyard ng design pero park ni siya. See? Very nice shady place. Yeah. Okay, let's go down here. This was the house of Lieutenant Henry Colborn. 45 hectares he acquired there when he migrated here in Canada because he was a governor and a lieutenant and architect and also a geodetic engineer if I'm not mistaken. Oh, here we go guys. Muna yung gingon ninyong place before nga ni mo. See the maple leaf. Wow, that's cool. So, ang uban diri, mag-sunbathing sila og a small maze, a very simple maze. Oh, there's a small pool, pero way too big guys. It is just a sort of a fountain. So, wala nila butang siguro tungkol sa COVID. So, this is it, the High Park. Yeah. So let's go up there. We'll see what's in the park. So typically it's a chilling out place guys. Good for families, couples, lovers. dating, eating, picnics, biking, walking, hiking, jogging, chilling out. So muna siya one of the restaurants hindi sa top, the top. So open day sila pero dili kayo inanakadaghan ng customer. Ngaw ilang restaurants. See, walay tao. Ako nang gikaingan guys is the best place you came from party or a food trip because you can burn your belly fat or burn your food that you've eat.
It's cute.
Si Super Mom guys. Hi Super Mom. Maninguha sana sila atong ni Jessica. Awan trip ni Jessica guys. Picture. Okay. That's what they call the Japanese maple guys. A red leaf. Dili siya fall pero red din na siya. It's like summer. See how cool it is. So wala na siya tubig before na siya water flowing diya. Siguro gi-block nila, gi-stop nila just to conserve energy. See? So probably kining mga kahoy diri guys is more than I guess more than 70 or 80 years old. See the bench guy under the trees. Wow, that's so cool. Right? Kita mo ng maple leaves guys. Nga kung i-capture ganiha, gikuha na ko video, mao na siya diha. Wag ko kay bawo gud say nakahimog red ana niya. Washroom here too guys. So maglakaw-lakaw mo. Picnic or whatever activities you want to do with your families or sa imong mga friends. May problema kay washroom nila left and right. It's just like about 500 kilometers apart. So it's alright. So ang washroom diri limpyo kayo, may tubig, mo flush ka. So why daghang time bomb. So once again, Jessica guys, she will read you something. Okay. All right. Okay, come on. Show them.
In loving memory of David W. McDonald, death leaves a heartache no one can heal. Love leaves memory no one can see.
Wow, that's cool, Jessica. Wow. And so,
guys, whenever there's something behind the chairs or the walls or anything, I will read it for you. If you're interested.
hee. All right, guys, keep on watching.
It's so cute.
Squirrel guys are all over the place. See that?
Why is so cute?
Chipmunks.
Or is it squirrel?
Yeah, maybe that's Alvin or Simon or Theodore. So, how's the weather, Jessica? Okay, you're gonna swim later on, okay?
I'm thirsty.
Hmm?
I want bubbles.
Yeah.
I like bubbles.
Oo, I'm gonna show you guys sa katong red thingy sa maple leaf of what it made of. So this is made of ginabasam din guys. I know kanang pinutol sa kahoy ba? Pinutol sa kahoy. Oh, that's cool. That's a nice art. Pinuluran na nilag kuwa para wala siya og kuwa. That's nice. Yeah. The resemblance of the maple leaf artwork really sticking out. So it's not an artificial grass, pero mga ginabas sa kahoy, it's a woods. Okay, magpagabas lang kahoy diri sa Canada. Igabas nimo ilahan ng i-grind na nila. Kana magamit na nila sa mga playground sa mga bata sa parks mo nilang ibutang instead of grass. So very useful yapon kayo guys. Yeah. What is niya? Salmon? Koi fish. Niya ingin siya koi fish originated from Japan.
I'm pretty sure it looks like
Yeah. Because most of the trees here like the Japanese maple and the cherry blossoms donated from the Japanese from past how many years. Mo nice ako ang hibawan guys. So it's a wood. Made of stone guys. I don't know what kind of stone. Some marble or whatever. And they sculpture it. Made of stone. Abi na kugputaw siya. Kaya wala magnaitaya pero bato dahil siya. Nice. Yeah.
Where are we gonna go next, Pa?
The pond.
Pond, okay.
The lake. It's a good thing hari guys. Kay beside on a small lake. Yeah. Ibang mga tao diri makapag-fishing sila. Wow. That's cool. So awesome. So relaxing. Oh yeah? This is a pond. Grenadier pond. So, diuhaw na sad sila guys. So, trash bins. Pastime sa itong mga senior citizen dire guys. So I think this is the best spot. Not going outside the city or the danger zone guys. Ibutangan ng lag-potion. Yeah, looks like somehow like that. Super mom guys, we try kaning drumstick. That's a drumstick, Jessica. Oh, saan may tawag na dire? Stick off. Yeah. Here again guys, train stop. We try to sakay this train every 25 minutes mo siguro. So I will show you all the details here. Time interval for the rides. Every 25 minutes. This train activity starts May 1st to September 10. So here's the fare. Adults $4 per person, children and older adults 60 plus, senior citizens so $3 per person. A train has been here a few minutes from now, so let's try to wait and sakay me.
Guys,
Wow. The train coming, guys. Can we paid it here? All right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's 3. How much this 3? Oh no. Oh, yeah. Everyone's $5. Oh, I see. Because I already write down the children's is for $3. All right. Okay. So 25. All right. Okay. So here we are, guys. So nanagin mi sa train. Na-try na mo. So how do you feel, Jessica? How many trips, miss? Huh? That was awkward. Yeah. So, og dili mi sitahon na ni guys nga mao na, di mi mga naogan eh. So, that was a big lie, guys. Nagibutang nila nga to $3 for child and senior citizen, but actually $5 each person. So all of us, it's cost us $25. So I think it's worth it. Having fun with your families and enjoy with kids and with the nature. So this is happening in the High Park, guys. A trackless train. So this is gonna be go all around the park. And you can only do a sightseeing what's beside on the far side. You can sit it there, Kai, and say something. Come on. Hey. Okay. Huh? Oh, you want to stay there? So I'm gonna stay here. Instead you. Uh-huh. Huh? That's normal. So this is the highway, guys, the Queensway Highway. So ang train mamaybay siya sa Queensway Highway. See there, Queensway Highway. It's cool. Nice ride for this sunny day afternoon. Being on a Queensway, the Queensway. All right. You scared? That's what it is. Like a roller coaster? Oh yeah. It's like something like a something a bomb they place underneath, right? Boom. That's what I told you. They're gonna let the train tour you all over the place of the High Park. So you can see the trees. See the water canal. I think this train made of tractor. A tractor used for the mowing the farm. Oh, there's a nice gazebo, guys, and good spot. Daghan po dire. Ah, mao ba nakanita sa una? Oh, I see, yeah. not free guys. Nagtuo si Kabayan. Si Kabayan siguro na nga free. Pero mingon ng driver nga it's $5. So water park is here guys. Happy to siya magta. So water park guys. So nice. Namday water park dire. Mo na siya water park? Kana siya?
Nasa court.
Okay.
Or ano lang.
Here we go again guys. So we're going down guys, heading to our train stop where we originally took our ride. I think 2 more stops and then that's it. We're done. See the trees guys. Ingon si Supermom nga kuya ko no kayo. Pareha tong salida nga. Unsa tong nga salida day? Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings.
Was the Lord of the Rings nga si Warag si Tonyo. So that's it guys.
That's our trip.
We're done of our train ride.
That's it for today's video, guys. We've been spending our time here at High Park and riding the train. Riding the train was really fun. Also, it was a little noisy. But anyway, super lucky we got to start a new Bye!
So that's all for today guys, for another fun and an adventure for summer 2020 here in High Park, downtown Toronto. So see you on my next video. Bye!
Bye!